What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, someone had asked me to do how to apply some false eyelashes. So I just got the new Baddieblashes in the style Extra. So that's what these look like. This is really pretty packaging, really cute. It actually has like a magnet too when you push it back in. So yeah, these are called Extra and they are really pretty lashes. So we're going to be putting these on today because I just got them and I haven't tried these out at all. So kind of be my first impressions on my eyes. So yeah, without further ado, if you want to see how to put some lashes on, then keep on watching. Okay, so normally the lashes are kind of stuck already to this rounded out part. Normally you can go in with tweezers, that way you don't accidentally break your lashes, because I've done that before. But I just went ahead and just kind of used my fingers and I kind of just peeled the end portion and kind of just pulled it out. And so we have one lash out. I'm just gonna set them to the side and then just take the other one out. Just be very careful when you're kind of taking them out of the box. You just don't want to rip them in half or like pull any like lashes out, because that sucks when that happens. Okay. So today's glue that I'm going to be using is a House of Lashes adhesive glue. This glue will hold up even like in water. Like, it's that good, but it's very strong. So like I said, it can hold up like in water, legit. So there's alternatives of different types of glue. You can use Duo. They have, sorry, there's like a fuzz. You can use Duo. They have really good glue. Like, they have really good lash glue where it's not as strong as the House of Lashes one, but this is my favorite, so I use it for every time I apply lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you in to my face. Okay. So we have the lashes. Usually lashes for me are way too long, so I always have to pre-cut them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and measure, and you can come on down with the lash and have the corner closer to your outer corner lash. And where your lash line kind of ends is pretty much where you want to cut it at. So I know I have that much, like right about here to cut off. So you kind of just eyeball it just a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with some scissors. These are some like hair scissors, but I don't have like the smaller ones. I don't know where they went, but we have a good amount of lash that that I just cut off. So I'm just gonna put those to the side, and then you just want to re-measure because sometimes you might need to cut off more. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure again. And this is what the lashes look like on. So I'm gonna cut off just a little bit more. And you just kind of keep going back and forth with the lashes. You don't want to take a big portion off because, I mean, if you cut way too much off, that's really gonna suck. Just place that back on there. And these lashes are really nice because they're already like rounded out, so they're really easy to apply onto your natural eye space. That's what these look like. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera and cut the other eyelash. Okay, now that we got them cut, I'm gonna take my House of Lashes glue. Also, if you feel uncomfortable with this is like the inner corner portion, you can cut that off too. Just cut it off just a little bit if it's gonna bug you. These ones don't really bug me, so I'm just gonna leave them on. I'm gonna take my House of Lashes glue and I'm just gonna go ahead and start painting the glue on the lash band. And always put a good amount on the corners, because for some reason those are always like the ones to like lift off on your eyes. And I believe these lashes have up to about 26 uses you can wear up to, where they don't like, up to like 26 is when they start looking, I guess, kind of funky and stuff. So, and these also were just like $19, so not too bad. And you just want to kind of let it either air dry, or you can fan it out, or if you don't mind blowing on your lash strip. And the way you know it starts to get tacky is this lash glue, it starts to kind of fade in color and kind of like a lighter, to me it looks like a bluish tint, kind of clear, that it starts to get. So that's when I know to put it on, and that's, you know, it's not going to slide around if it's still too white when you apply it. And I know a lot of people, they like to put mascara on before they put lashes, but I feel like I have really long lashes, so when I put mascara on, it's harder for me to put lashes on, so I prefer not to. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, so I'm gonna stop talking and just show you guys. So you kind of want to come down at an angle and just place them right on, and close your eyes just a little bit. And these lashes are so easy to work with because they just fall right into place. Okay, we're gonna let that dry just for a little bit. And these are really extra, but they're really pretty full lashes. And I didn't even put any eyeliner on or anything like that. I feel like you don't really need to. Let's go ahead and put the other one on. And just kind of come at an angle above and just set it right on top. And you kind of just finesse it around. These are so easy to put on. I also do know other people do like to use tweezers to apply the lashes, but I can't apply lashes with tweezers. Plus I'm too clumsy too, so I'm sure I'll poke my eye out or something, you know. Okay, so since I did this eye first, I'm gonna start messing with even more. And if you feel like it's not as close to your lashes, kind of to that lash line, you can pinch them down. They do have tools that it's like a clamper, and you just clamp like from like this, but I just use my fingers, so that's fine too. I'll go ahead and do the other side. These lashes are so pretty. I like to go in with mascara afterwards. I don't always do this every single time, but if you want to blend your lashes with the falsies, you can just tap I don't like to go because I don't want to mess up the style of the lashes. So I'd like to do it at the base. And then we can go ahead, since these are so heavy lashes, I'm gonna put mascara on the bottom lashes. Just to even. Comfortable closing my eyes, which is the most important, is having your eyes be comfortable and don't feel like any poking or anything like that. Go ahead and do a zoom in. These are so pretty. Okay, so that was my how-to on how to apply some false lashes with my favorite lash glue and some bomb-ass lashes that I just got in the mail a few days ago. So they are extremely pretty. I will link them down below if you're interested in purchasing these lashes. But go ahead and give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. And then go ahead and comment down something below, letting me know certain things of what you want to see, a certain eye look, maybe a celebrity of, you know, recreating their makeup look. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.